The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Myself Pratibha here to do a BMC model on Purplle.com. Basically, Purplle is an online store selling fragrances, cosmetics, haircare products, skincare products, and etc. It gives an online space to beauty and wellness needs that showcases some of the beauty brands and products. Purplle aims to take the shopping experience to a different level. So where did I collect the information from? I have collected the information from crunchbase.com, inlinkedin.com, cloudgoogle.com, and of course the Purplle.com. Now, coming to the reason behind the logo of Purplle. So the Purplle logo is in purple color, which is usually loved by the women and girls all around the world. The company offers cosmetics, fragrances, skincare products and haircare products in the best price, which is also loved by the women and girls all around the world. Coming to the important informations of Purplle. The headquarters of Purplle is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The industry type of Purplle is online shopping for cosmetics, skincare products and etc. It was founded in 2011 by Manish Tajena and Rahul Dash. Now currently the CEO of Purplle is Manish Tajena. The area served is only India, but Purplle is planning to extend this service to other countries too in upcoming years. The website is www.purplle.com. Now let us see some more information on Purplle. Purplle competitors. Purplle has a set of competitors like Nykaa, MyGlam, Myntra, Essentials, New You, Lusolive, Big Basket, Grofers, Sugar Cosmetics, and Makeup Shades. It has tied up over 6,000 salons with detailed pricing information on the platform for the customers to make a choice of the right service. So people can choose their own choice and can proceed. Purplle.com also has an assortment of products across 650 brands and 5,000 SKUs and 300 beauty-specific sellers. Purplle provides all warehousing and logistics services to sellers to ensure quality of products and delivery of them is very well maintained. Coming to the benefits of signing up for a Purplle account are: you can track all your past and present orders at any time and in any place using the code given by the Purplle. You also get the notifications as soon as your favorite products are back in stock. You can also rate and review a product and can see others' ratings and reviews for a product too. And you need not fill your address and payment details more than once, because once if you do it, it automatically gets saved. You also receive discounts on future purchases, and if you refer a friend to Purplle and when they place their first order, you get to earn some money out of it. And syncing of products in cart across all platforms. Like if you have saved an item in cart from any device, and if you open your account in any other device, it reflects the same on it too. Coming to the main part of the BMC, we'll first go ahead with the key partners. So Taneja, along with his co-founders Rahul Dash and Suyash Katyayani, hold only 23% of Purplle, while the rest is held by 5 institutional investors. Their key activities are to provide a one-stop online beauty shopping store, and with the benefit of replacement and cancellation of the orders. Now coming to the value proposition, Purpple's mission statement says, Purplle gives an online space to your beauty and wellness needs. It actually aims to take your shopping experience to a completely different level. They say that they know shopping infuses an incompatible high. They also say that they showcase some of the best products from the leading brands in the world. Now the customer relationships. As it is an online community, Purplle provide customer experts to get clarified if we have any doubts or something regarding the products, And you also have the feedback and recommendation page where you can recommend a product or you can get ideas from others. Next, the customer segments. Satisfying the needs of the customers regarding the products of the website. As soon as possible they try to sort out any problems. Then the key resources. As it is online, it has the online facilities like other websites do. Coming to the channels. First, they have delivery of the products at doorstep, and then you have 100% secure payment. Then you have help center to get help if you need, and then you have beauty assistant to consult if anything you want. Then now coming to the cost structure, it has a simple cost structure like other websites do, like overhead for website, it's normal. Then the revenue streams. The revenue stream is through advertising and margins on sale of products, like giving offers or something like that. As you can see in the image, they are the founders of Purple, Manish Tajena and Rahul Dash. Manish Tajena is an IIT Delhi alumni who started up Purple with Rahul Dash, who went to IIT Kharagpur for his bachelor's degree and then went to IIM Ahmedabad for his business studies. Rahul also worked in Tata Groups before starting up Purple. Basically, Purple began as an online retailer in December 2011 and opened its first physical retailer store at Phoenix Market City in Kurla, Mumbai in January 2017. Logic can only take you from A to B, but imagination can take you everywhere. Thank you all for listening me till here. Hope you have a great day ahead.